sometimes fishing can be hard to do, especially between work and chores and everything else that we have to do on a daily basis. That's why everywhere I go, I'm always looking for water to be fished. So I walk past this place where I'm going quite frequently when I'm taking my girls to the park. So tonight, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch something in there. No luck over here, so I'm gonna head over to the other side of the road, and if we get skunked over there, I guess we'll just go home. Well, didn't get anything in there today. Guess that's why we call it fishing and not catching, right? If anybody has any ideas on what I should be throwing in water like that, I am open to suggestions. Please let me know.